Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we're going to look at the JBL 230NC versus the Sony 500C to see which one have a better audio. So both of the earbuds are very similar. So let me go through this spec very quickly for both of the earbuds. But then you can see the similarity between both of the earbuds before we try the audio out. First we're going to look at the JBL 230NC. So it is £90, come in quite a lot of colors. You have white, you have light brown, black and blue. 40 hours of battery life, 10 hours with the ANC off, 8 hours with the ANC on. It's come with the 6mm driver, so slightly louder, supported by Bluetooth 5.2. So they're really ahead of most of the earbuds on the Bluetooth versions. Built-in 4 mic to answer phone calls, so really good on the mic as well. IP4, water and sweat resistant, so if you're going to use it for sports, you are looking at the perfect earbuds. And it does come with the EQ app, so you can actually play around with the audio. So if you're a person who would really like a bit more bass or a bit more on the vocal, you want to play around with setting, you can do that. On the other hand, you have the Sony WF-500C. Come in few colors. You get orange, green, white and black. 20 hours of playtime, so half of what you get on JBL. IP4, water resistant and sweat proof, so pretty much exactly the same IP rating. Independent earbud, so you can use either left or the right. That's applied to the JBL as well, so you can use the left or right. 5.8mm driver, so slightly smaller than the JBL. Supported by Bluetooth 5.0. It is supported by the Sony EQ app, so both of the earbuds you can actually use the EQ app to play around with the audio. When you're comparing the features alone, JBL stands out better than the Sony. First, you get 40 hours of battery. Second, you get noise cancellation. Third, you get a bigger driver. So on the Sony, you don't get noise cancellation, you get 20 hours of battery, you get 5.8 driver, so slightly lower, and lower Bluetooth version as well. So now we're going to try the audio out.
Need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, out of state. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, chalk up their body. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, out of state. Need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but I like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence to let them in, chalk up their body. Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find. Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days.
Hey guys, this is the audio from the JBL Tune 230NC. Let me know how the audio, mic audio is. I am indoor, so you should able to hear my voice very clearly without any noise. So this is the audio from the Sony WF-500. You should able to hear my voice very clearly without any audio delays or any audio cuts. You should hear my voice very clearly without any outside noise. There is a big difference in the audio quality comparing with the JBL with the Sony. Sony have really good bass without the app, and when you go to the app you get much more. On the JBL you get natural audio, and when you go to the app and you get really good bass. When you come to audio, I think is both of them have very similar audio. So JBL have a louder audio than the Sony. Per a 6mm driver versus a 5.8mm driver, there is a big difference in the audio loudness. And when you come to the mic, the JBL have a louder and clearer audio than the Sony. Sony have the 2 mics. On the JBL you have 4 mics. When you come to audio to videos, I haven't experienced any delays with both of the earbuds. I watch a lot of YouTube videos as well as listen to songs, and I haven't experienced any audio delays. Where both of the earbuds are £90 and both of them are very much identical on the features. Overall, I really like the JBL than the Sony, because the JBL for a £90 you get noise cancellation, and it's really good noise cancellation, and you get talk through technology as well. On the Sony you don't get noise cancellation or you don't get talk through technology. For audio, I will go with the JBL than the Sony. JBL have a better audio than the Sony. So if you are looking for a earbud that have really good bass, good vocal, and good on the battery life and a noise cancellation, definitely go with the JBL 230NC. And if you want something light and you don't really care about the noise cancellation part of it, and you really want really loud bass, then I will go with the Sony 500C. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If you did like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.